Hello and welcome. Today we meet one of the rare dragons remaining in our world, the Humidraco acidicorium, or acid skin earth dragon. Earth dragons are generally wingless dragons that live in caves or subterranean passages. The Humidraco acidicorium is a small earth dragon. Adults can reach 50 centimeters, not including the tail, but average on 35 centimeters. The body is long and sinuous, with 4 legs and a long tail. The tail is about the same length as the body, making the Humidraco acidicorium look bigger than it actually is, with an average total length of approximately 60 centimeters. The body is covered with scales. The back has large, flat scales, while the underside is covered with smaller scales. The large back scales fit well together to create a smooth surface, integral for movement underground. At the top of the neck, there are 2 layers of uniquely pointed scales that can be raised to create a sort of spiked mane. The back scales can also be raised and are used together with the main scales for both intimidating enemies by making the body look bigger and for the famous Humidraco acidicorium mating dance. Humidraco acidicorium got their name from the constant acidic secretion that covers their body. The acid is emitted from specialized glands between the scales and nestles into microscopic indentations in the scales, making any attempt to grab these small earth dragons hazardous. Even a slight touch to their skin will create irritation, and longer exposure can prove fatal. Mature Humidraco acidicorium are completely immune to their acid. In fact, when threatened, they are known to collect acid in their mouth and project it at the threat. This technique is also used for nest building, to soften the ground and melt roots to enlarge the space. Because of this, the nests of Humidraco acidicorium are highly acidic environments, which seemingly poses a problem, since Humidraco acidicorium eggs and newborn are not resistant to the acid. In order to protect their eggs, female Humidraco acidicorium consume gold, which is naturally resistant to most acids. The gold is absorbed through the digestive system and covers the exterior of the eggs during the first stage of gestation, in which the eggs remain in utero. After about 45 days, the dragoness lays 2 to 3 gold-covered eggs, and she and her partner will share the incubation for approximately 3 more months. Humidraco acidicorium hatchlings have gold scales because the yolk they fed on has very high gold content. After hatching, the acid glands begin to work, and after about 6 months and a number of molts, the young Humidraco acidicorium gains the adult blue-black coloration and acid protection, and is ready to explore the world with their parents.